When programming with Python, one of its great advantages is that we can represent numbers without having to worry with the limitation of data types. When it comes from another programming languages, such as Java, there are some kinds of limitations. For instance, the int data type. On Java, there is a limit of 4 bytes representation. It means that this is the maximum positive value we can represent with the int data type. When we decide to utilize some bigger data type, we have the long data type, which can utilize 8 bytes for variables representation and give us this maximum positive value to be represented. However, on Python, we can utilizing just the int data type because after the Python 3 version and on, they removed the long data type and they have just the int data type. However, without limits for data representation. So here on Python, we can take the maximum values possible to be represented with long value and sum with the maximum int value, and we can produce a new value. And it's totally possible to be represented and utilized for numeric operations. We could even multiply that for its square, and this number can increase utilizing the available memory in our computer. Let's take a look in the execution of this code. So here is our output. Let's take a look. Here is the maximum int value when we utilize 4 bytes variable. Here is the maximum long value when we utilize 8 byte variable. And here is for Python. We have increased it, make the sum between both of these values. And here we can see the sum result of this value plus this value. And we can take this value and multiply by itself, take the square value of this operation. And here's the new number. So it's totally powerful to work with int values when Python, when we have to solve problems that demand the processing of large integer values. So here it is one overview about this data type. Thanks.